Meanwhile, there was a heated exchange between Minister of Energy Darrell Vaz and Everald Warmington during a meeting of the Standing Finance Committee earlier today. Now, during Standing Finance, the MPs are given the opportunity to quiz the representatives of the respective ministries about their budgetary allocations for the upcoming fiscal year. Now, Mr. Warmington sought to quiz the minister about a comment he reportedly made in a daily newspaper last week.
Minister, is there any method or as such within your ministry or scope where you can make allocation to councillors?
Not to my knowledge, member.
Is there such a privilege or opportunity in any other ministry? Do you know if any other ministry can do that?
Not that I know of.
But then, if that's the case, so you're making statement. You made a statement the other day where I'm concerned that you disassociate yourself from the statement I made in a location. If it is not within a minister's to do it, power, then why are you making such statement in the Observer? I said to a general question. He said, what's a general question? He's making that be associated with allocation from ministry councillor.
Member.
Yeah, you know that it's not possible. Then why are you making such statement?
Chairman, let me make it clear for all who have ears to hear and eyes to see. I do not support partisan politics at any level, whether it's a council level, MP level, or government level. And as a minister of government, that will never happen under my watch in any way, shape, or form.
Yes.
Doesn't seem like you have learned anything.
And we go now to a major developing story on the political scene. A high-level meeting is now underway at the Jamaica Labour Party JLP headquarters on Belmont Road in St. Andrew. Members of the JLP hierarchy, as well as members of the cabinet and members of parliament, are reportedly in attendance. TVJ News understands that the meeting started a short while ago. Now, we haven't been able to confirm why the hastily arranged high-level meeting was called, but sources indicated earlier today that matters to be discussed relate to the firing of Everald Warmington, as well as the suggestion that a JLP councillor could break ranks with the party in the KSAMC.